If you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2026 in League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you disable the Cloud Save feature and get back to playing. Step 1. Open League of Legends. Launch the League of Legends client on your computer. Ensure that you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Access the Settings menu. Once the client is open, locate the gear icon or Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of the client. Click on it to open the Settings options. Step 3. Navigate to the Cloud Save settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Cloud Save or Game Settings section. This is where you can manage your Cloud Save preferences. Step 4. Disable Cloud Save. Find the option to enable or disable cloud saving. Toggle the setting to disable cloud save functionality. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to save your changes. Step 5. Restart the client. After disabling the cloud save feature, close the League of Legends client completely and then restart it. This will ensure that the changes take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2026 and continue enjoying your gaming experience. If issues persist, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.